Thank you for joining us as we descend down many, many flights of stairs into what is probably my most favorite park in Michigan. This is Fitzgerald Park in Grand Ledge, Michigan, and it sits right up along the Grand River. This is Mother's Day, and my daughter had asked what I wanted to do for Mother's Day, and I wanted to go hiking here at Fitz. We call it Fitz for short. This is my beautiful daughter. This is the lovely sewer drain. These are the ledges, and it is said that these rock formations have been around for at least 300 million years. These rock formations span almost 5 miles along the Grand River. You can find them through 2 Eaton County park trails and 1 city park in Grand Ledge. I love tree roots. You'll probably hear me say that a few times throughout this video. These are the largest outcropping of rocks in central Michigan. In some places, these rocks tower 60 feet over the shore of the Grand River. This area has been named Big Rocks by native tribes in the past. These rock formations are made of ancient sandstone rock. It is just amazing to me how some trees can grow where they do. This one is growing right out of the side of one of these rocks. It's just amazing. This is only one side of Fitzgerald Park. There is a whole other side to this park where they have a disc golf course, fishing areas, nature trails. They have a playground in part of it, a pavilion, picnic areas. I believe they even have a half basketball court and a baseball diamond. And of course, restrooms. This tree is just so tall. You see the trees at the top of the ledges there that are tall, and this one is growing from all the way down here. There are several trails to walk along the ledges here and along the water. More recently, some people have chosen to use chalk instead of carving into the ledges. When people carve into the ledges, it permanently damages the sandstone and creates long-term problems. This message was nice though. And look, more tree roots. More tree roots. Look at all these little fairy homes. If you listen real careful, you may hear the natural call of the mother beast, blowing her nose in this natural environment, and then trying to hide and shield herself from the human onlookers. And here you'll see my daughter making a feather offering to the moss. According to the EatonCounty.org website, migrant Indian tribes led by the famous Chief Okemos called this area Big Rocks. They came here in early spring to tap the sugar maples. Later, the beauty of the ledges and the woods attracted the Grand Ledge Spiritualist Camp Association, which in 1894 established a summer campground and erected the large pavilion, the Big Red Barn, which is still standing here. Thousands of spiritualists came here for summer encampments until the turn of the century. In 1919, the property became a public park known as Riverside Park. The park's name was later changed to commemorate Grand Ledge native Governor Frank D. Fitzgerald, who died in office in 1939. The pavilion was refurbished as a summer theater by the Grand Ledge Improvement Association in 1955. Fitzgerald Park spans approximately 78 acres and is also known as the home of the ledges. Fitz runs along the Grand River, which is Michigan's longest river. At one point, this area was known as Robber's Cave, since many of the caves at the base of the ledges supposedly were used by thieves to stable stolen horses while they awaited sale. Other legends tell of slaves using the caves as part of the Underground Railway in their flight to freedom into Canada. Occasionally, you may catch a glimpse of a little gremlin peeking from behind a tree. Or possibly the prancing of fairy folk. And here we find one of Mother Nature's water slides. Here we are coming up upon the old train trestle. This thing is massive in size. Thank you so much for hiking around Fitz with us. And now we begin the ascent of the stairs.